Okay, so we just talked about what the zero product property meant. So we're going to use that property now to solve the quadratic equation. Now know that solutions are also called zeros and roots. Now they're called zeros because it's wherever our parabolas touch the x-axis and our x-intercepts. So zero product property says that if we have something times another something, one of those somethings has to be 0 if it equals 0. So the way we do this is set both of them equal to 0. You get x minus 9 equals 0 and 5x plus 2 equals 0. So two different problems here. And then just solve for x. So in this one, I'm going to add 9 on either side, and I get x equals 9. That's my first solution. And then in this 5x plus 2, I'm going to subtract 2 because I'm going to do the opposite of addition. So I get 5x equals negative 2. Divide by 5. Divide by 5. Do not worry about having a mixed fraction, so we're just going to have x equals negative 2 over 5. Those are my solutions. Those are where the parabola touches the x-axis, and I don't have to graph it to find it out anymore. Yay! We love that.